Hi, in this video you'll see as I go through the process of styling my hair in a Bantu knot out. I'm not going to do this video in real time. You'll see that there will be times when I will speed it up to get through the process quickly as not to bore you. In addition to me styling my hair, I've also inserted some pictures from my trip to Japan because that's where I am right now as I am styling my hair. I just thought it was really interesting, and I just loved being in that country. I enjoyed it. Of course, it was good to get back home as well. But this is not about my trip. It's about my hair. I want you to see that this is still a sister that loves her locks. And I love the versatility of the locks. You will notice that it might not be a perfect style, but this style was perfect for me. As I was setting these Bantu knots in my hair, I only used water. I wet my hands with the water, put it around the Bantu knot just to dampen it a little bit, and then I twisted the knots. So this is set with only water. As I often say, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Give me any feedback that you can to help me to better myself and help me to make sure that I take care of my hair properly. Thank you. You'll notice that I missed a few of my locks and I just left them loose. There could be imperfections. You'll see the results of this when I take my hair down. was an easy style for me to complete. You'll notice that it's just easy to take out the Bantu knots. At one point, a couple of the knots were getting ready to come loose, and so I took a ponytail holder and put around those. I think I made them a little bit too big. So make sure that as you're putting in your Bantu knots, if you choose to do this style, that the knots are not too big, or they will then start to unravel. So just sit back, relax, and watch how this style comes together.